Okay, now I'm going to go ahead and demonstrate how you can use sorting activities with children as young as pre-K. The way you can use sorting activity for pre-K, it can be with uppercase and lowercase letters. You can have, usually teachers would have a bulletin board with the ABCs on them. Um, they can either have the ABCs written together, side by side, capital and lowercase together in the ABCs in order. Or um, if you want to do an activity like such as sorting, you can have the students interact with you in creating your own bulletin board of capital letters or uppercase and lowercase. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and have Sebastian here help me in sorting capital and lowercase letters. I'm gonna ask him a few questions, which was what this activity can help students with. For example, Sebastian, when you're writing a name, the first letter, is it supposed to be capitalized or is it supposed to be a lowercase letter? When you're writing a name, is it capital or lowercase?
Capital.
It's a capital letter. Correct, Sebastian. So, for example, your name, Sebastian, does it start with a capital letter or a lowercase? Sebastian, is it a capital S or a lowercase s? When you're writing your name, the first letter of your name, the big one, which is which one? The capital letter, right? So which one is the capital letter? The capital letter. Here on our board, look, we're going to go ahead and put the capital letter on one side. Here it says uppercase, means capital letter, and lowercase is the small letter, right? I'm going to show you a letter and you're going to tell me if it's capital or lowercase.
Lowercase.
This is a lowercase I. So I'm going to put it there. What about
Big one.
this one? Is it lowercase or capital, Sebastian?
Capital.
It's a capital. Good job, Sebastian. So I'm going to put it there. What about
Lowercase.
this one? Is it a lowercase or a capital J?
Lowercase.
Lowercase? Let me see. Side by side. Which one is the capital letter and which one is the lowercase?
Capital. This one.
This one. Good job.
I told you.
So this one is the
lowercase.
lowercase. And we would go on to sorting out the whole ABCs. Usually a teacher will start with the letter A, just so they can have that frequency or that consistency of the order of the alphabet. And we can hang this as a bulletin board in the classroom for the students for students to reference back to them whenever they're doing an activity. For example, today I'm going to have Sebastian doing an activity where he's going to look for the lowercase letters that correspond to each of the capital letters. Okay, Sebastian, what I'm going to need you to do now is on the top of the paper, you see here the capital letters, right? So on the bottom, we have the lowercase letters. So I'm going to need you to cut out each letter and place it. You're going to glue it where it belongs so it can be paired up with the capital letter. Okay? So I'm going to need you to cut. Go ahead and cut, and you're going to glue. And while he's doing that, he's going to be doing the activity. It's going to be for individual work. The students, that's fine. The students can go ahead and use this or the bulletin board that they have on the classroom to help them with the individual work. And like I did. Okay, right now that he's doing the activity, going back to when I started, I went ahead and I identified the skill where I was telling him that we were going to learn about our uppercase and lowercase letters. And step 2, I explained the activity while telling him, okay, you're going to go ahead and pair up the uppercase and lowercase letters on the individual work that they were going to do. I went ahead and I told him the routine of how we were doing it, how we were explaining the activity, uppercase, lowercase. So what he's doing right now is that he's doing exactly what I had told him to do when we were doing the bulletin board. He's looking at the capital letters, he's looking for the lowercase, and he is sorting them out to where it belongs. And the way that I'm assessing is I'm going ahead and I'm observing him and watching what he's doing and making sure he understood. He understood the concept of the activity. And the way to grade it is by whenever he finishes, we can go ahead and grade the information that he put down, and that way you can see if he understood. If he does in fact know his uppercase and his lowercase letters, and if he doesn't, we can go ahead and give him a little bit more help. And that is the way that you can use the sorting activity with pre-K students.